How to apply for a personal loan from Discover Bank online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to apply for a personal loan from Discover Bank online. So first thing first, just head over to discover.com from any web browser and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And you just have to head over to the personal loan option over here if you want to learn more about personal loan in details. To actually apply for a personal loan from Discover Bank, you must first pre-qualify online without affecting your credit score. If you are interested in the offer, you can then complete the formal application by providing a valid US Social Security number, household income, and employment history, a state-issued ID, and bank account info for direct deposit. So first, you just have to start by visiting Discover's personal loan page over here and start using your online calculator to estimate your potential loan amount, interest rate, and payments. And you will be asked for your name, contact information, the amount you want to borrow, and your loan purpose and the loan term. So you will also need to provide your social security number and other informations as I mentioned previously. And if your application is approved, you will receive the funds directly to your bank account you provided after accepting the loan terms. That's it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.